si Dr. Arnalia Gigi Borsales Macendo. She is actually one of our members of the PCP Board of Regents and is a practicing internist nephrologist from the General Santos City. Now, I'd like to call on Dr. Gigi to give us an intro on the HERO program or the HERO project and why it was relaunched. Thank you, Dr. Gigi.
Thank you, Dr. Thank you, Dr. Rahat.
Ay, Doc, ito na lang.
Hello. Okay, thank you. Good afternoon again to everyone. We've heard so much about the word hero this afternoon, but before anything else, I'd like to personally thank Dr. Amy Mateo for timely relaunch of HERO during our first year of celebrating IM Week this year, the first week of December. So very timely yung pag-celebrate namin ng relaunch, at the same time the founding anniversary of PCP, and at the same time the first year that we're gonna celebrate Medicine Week, IM Week. So I think ang dami na natin narinig about HERO. Again, through the Executive Order 595 proclaimed as December 27, 2006 by the then President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, the HERO project, which is Health Education Reform Order, with the idea that the causes of the highest morbidity and mortality cases in the Philippines as well as worldwide can still be prevented by proper sanitation and health practices, that which should be brought about by effective health education and awareness. Hence, this program was launched before, and this can be achieved through integration with the health curriculum as mentioned through primary, secondary, and the tertiary levels. So it is preventive health education curriculum with lecture modules on preventive health care and awareness for the top causes of morbidity and mortality, which should be formulated and prepared and updated. This year, we would like to thank our Kakao Committee, yung mga affiliate society of PCP, on the updates of all the lecture modules of HERO, which is expected to be prepared by medical professions like PCP as well as PME. In its initial implementation since 2006, we have conducted HERO lectures before in schools, workplaces, in the communities. We have witnessed how equipping our people with health knowledge improve their well-being as well as their confidence regarding their health status. Hence, this relaunch is a testament of our commitment as internists that by focusing on early detection and preventive measures, we reduce the burden on emergency services and specialized care. And by promoting health education and collaborating with other healthcare professionals to coordinate and ensure a holistic approach in patient care, we will eventually improve the overall community health outcomes. So that is what is HERO all about. Thank you and good afternoon again.
Thank you, Dr. Macendo. Indeed,